Hi there everyone, thanks for coming back to my channel. Today we're going to learn about a Canva feature named Video. You all know about it. Let's do a small research on it, how to make the TikTok video. Like in this interface we can see all lots of things. So we can select from this the TikTok video. And after the clicking there will be an interface you can see. It's very easy task. You can use the Canva app. I'm just using the Canva from the website. After that we have to go to the element section. There are lots of things we can give like this is the ocean picture I've used recently. You can just put it here and just set the video as background. Looks good. Okay, play it or moving video to it's eye-catching thing. You can also just give a text here to, to make it engaging, like the ocean life. That's it. And after that, you can share this, download this. As I am using a pro version, I can escalate the image quality and download. Thank you so much for being with me.